Hello everyone, I am PR and Jason. Right now I am TaipeiPlas 2024 and I invite a really beautiful lady. It's Jessica. Can you introduce about yourself and your company?
Hi Jason, I'm Jessica. I come from Taichung Geording Machinery Company. And our company is focused on the specialized for recycling solution. For example, like shredding, self-cleaning, screen changer.
That sounds wonderful. And may I ask, what kind of machine did you choose to bring in here and what's the feature about it?
Oh, this time we show our cutter compactor type model, and we also show our intelligent self-cleaning screen changer. That screen changer could help customer to quickly reduce the pressure, and you don't need to buy the expensive consumable. You can use the standard consumable for that screen changer, and no need to change the screen by manual.
That sounds really cost saving and really efficient. May I know your company's goal and fulfill how do that gonna fulfill the ESG goal? Like we all know, this is a top trending topic from this year. So do you have every standard or have a policy to align with the green policy or green waste?
As you know, we focus on innovation on the recycling system. So we try to push our design group to innovate more eco-friendly system to help our customer to reduce the environment impact.
Thank you for the wonderful sharing. And my last question is, how's your general feeling about the TaipeiPlas this year? And since you are at the Paris booth right now, which part of service is your most satisfied part?
This time I feel that a lot of foreign customer and our target customer, and we have a very good chance to have a deal with customer.
Yes.
And do you mean the Paris suffice?
No, I mean, since we are here in the Paris booth, so I wonder which kind of service is your most liked part? Like, what kind of service you like with us? Like, do you like the flyers or the e-news or the SEO or the web design making?
All of these suffice. We all cooperate with you, so I'm very satisfied for Paris suffice. And Paris is kind of like a star. Every time if I see Paris in exhibition center, I will feel satisfied.
Felt a relief, right?
Yes, very relief.
Okay, thank you. It's really nice and lucky to have good clients with like you. And thank you for taking my interview and thank you for the time. This is PR and Jason. Remember to subscribe to the media channel and I will see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye bye.